Now the explanation of peaceful, if we go very deeply into it, is once you are aware that all phenomena are conditioned things, and that everything that is conditioned is bound to perish, to put it in the way we find it in one translation from the Pali text, we ourselves, instead of feeling I am a person in a body, this is me, my name is, we go through and into the elements. We see that we are nothing but a process, beginning and ending, coming and going, and ever flowing. Just like the river. The river looks to be real, but you can't take a piece of it out and put it in a museum. The river is ever flowing and ever continuing, and ever made up of tiny elements, which when ultimately analyzed become again kalapa, or tiny impulses of energy. And so a man, as the Buddha said, who goes to the riverside, sits under a tree, goes into his mind and concentrates on one thing, which is the impermanence of all things, and maybe focuses, for example, on the breath, he can go into that state of emptiness and peace, which is beyond all conditioned things, which is nearing the final step of deliverance on the path to Nibbana.